Hi friends, in my previous video I tell you how to enter in recovery mode. Today I am tell you how to install CM13 ROM in Samsung Galaxy S3 i9300. To install the ROM you need a ROM. This is a site. I give the link of this site in description. You download this file. I already downloaded this ROM. This is the ROM. Connect the S3 with your computer. I'm connecting this. After connecting, copy it. I already copied it, so I don't not copy it again. I tell you how to install. Power off your device. Holding power button, volume up and home button together and release it. And there we go in recovery mode. First of all, wipe factory reset, wipe data factory reset with power button on yes and with power button. After factory reset it, wipe cache partition by pressing volume down button. After wiping cache partition, you go into advanced setting and wipe Delve cache. Go back and install zip. This is option of install zip. Enter in it, and second option in SD card. There is the CM13 9130 i9300. By pressing power button, select it and install it. Wait for a minute to installing it. So guys, see, install from SD card is complete. After completing it, go back and reboot system now. Click on